In your morning consumer news, the Trump administration approving Skydance Media to buy Paramount Global for $8 billion. The FCC 2-to-1 vote was along party lines after months of controversy, including allegations of political interference. Skydance's CEO also promised to add a watchdog at CBS and cut out new policies, which helped get the FCC chair's support. And President Trump signed sweeping AI executive orders aimed at deregulating the industry. The plan cuts regulations, fast-tracks data center permits, and removes diversity and climate requirements from federal AI guidelines. The administration says it's essential to win the AI race against China, but consumer advocates call it a corporate giveaway that prioritizes profits over public safety, with few guardrails to protect jobs or privacy. Summer is in full swing, but many Americans are already back to school shopping. 2/3 of Americans started shopping for the upcoming school year this month. That's the earliest on record. The survey found half of families are hitting the stores earlier due to concern that tariffs could drive up prices of school supplies. Shoppers are expected to spend about $858 per family on clothes, school supplies, and electronics. That's down 2% from last year. And a local company is helping families with back-to-school costs this weekend. Round Room is giving away free backpacks at the Verizon store on Gilmore Avenue in Winona Sunday afternoon, that is, starting at 1 p.m. It's part of a nationwide giveaway. The company says it wants to help families dealing with higher prices. There'll also be some family-friendly activities. Average home insurance policy costs across the country are going up, and that's due to a variety of factors. Jen Sullivan takes a look at some of them and what you can do to save some money.
From ravenous wildfires to devastating tornadoes, natural disasters are becoming more frequent and more intense. Last year, there were 27 confirmed weather and climate disasters in the U.S., with losses exceeding $1 billion, according to NOAA. Because of this, many home insurance companies are raising policy rates.
There are more natural disasters happening, and they're affecting more homes.
Holden Lewis with NerdWallet says they recently conducted a survey among homeowners and found 54% said their premiums have gone up in the last 12 months. These rate hikes aren't specific to certain states, it's nationwide.
They end up having to pass along some of those costs to states that might have fewer natural disasters.
State Farm recently raised home insurance rates by an average of 27.2% in Illinois. They say it's because in 2024, for every dollar they collected from policyholders, State Farm paid out $1.26. State Farm said Illinois had the second highest hailstorm damage claims last year, totaling $638 million. Telling CNN in part, accurate risk-based pricing makes sure that insurers like State Farm can pay claims during some of life's toughest moments for policyholders.
Some of the most costly natural disasters are hailstorms.
Inflation and the rising cost of supplies is also contributing to higher premiums. But Lewis says there are things you can do to help lower your rates. Adding roof trusses or upgrading your garage door can help get a better rate. Also, installing fire alarms and security systems. And shop around to compare different companies' premiums. For Consumer Watch, I'm Jen Sullivan.
And a reminder that home insurance does not cover flooding. That's a separate policy.